Morning guys, I never did an intro for this one, so we're doing it now. So this is it, we're just getting the ground ready for the Yorkshire stone flags to go on. So let's crack on. So we've just got to take these up here. We've got this little bit dug yesterday, so it's going to square off. So we've got to relay them all. They all go down a slant and we need to level them out, so we're going to have to take them all up. We've got no hardcore under them neither, so we'll be putting hardcore under. We'll crush and run. Squared it off, and then it's going to come down here, probably a metre path. This bit will go, and then a metre path, and then it's going to go up to the shed, I think, and then down to join the one that's already there. I'll probably put a bit of gravel on this side, just to get it soaked away, because it gets pretty low there, and then the rest of it's plenty, so it don't really matter there. But yeah, so this is the rendering, look, all the way down that side, look. I actually, when I did this, I built it up, I built bricks up, and then I started laying out blocks on the other corner, worked myself round, put blocks flush on this side, and then when I run in, I realised that I was square, because this building goes like that, it leans out, this one, and then so I set it back, but when I started building up it started going square, so I should have set it back a lot more than what I did. So but when they chiselled it all off, he's managed to build it all back out and get it all in, and when you look down it now, it looks pretty damn straight. So they've made a good job of that. My little mess up, but they've sorted it out for me. So right, we're going to get these flags up on this side. Listen everyone! So got that up, levelled out, wet soil, and we get some hardcore in for that, and then we're just working his way down here now. And then take these up, we've got to come out a metre, level this out. We'll take these up for now and then down there. So we'll get it all levelled so we can get some hardcore in, some crush. Yeah. That way. How much?
More, literally, well, too far.
There?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah, bang on.
So we've sort of got it dug and levelled out. So we've got it levelled down here. It goes downhill, well up towards me, then it goes back down towards that. That's the best we can do, because otherwise we'd be altering all the grass. So that's what we're doing. So we're just, at the minute, we're just sieving through all these flags, trying to clean them up and just put them in some kind of sizing order. So hopefully then we won't be cutting too many. So that's what we're doing while we, I think the crush and run, I've ordered it all. So that's coming tomorrow. So yeah, so we're just going to do a bit of cleaning, I'll show you. So we're just cleaning all these off and trying to size them into certain sizes. We know how to pick these jobs, don't we, Tim? Eh? Morning guys, another day, another dollar on the job. So we've, so this morning we just had a delivery. We just put the weed barrier down. it goes all the way around here. So this is as wide as this path. This weed barrier. We've got a little bit there where its shed is, and then down to other flags. So we're just gonna get all this crush and running. Trying to keep it back here because we're going to put a step in here, so we'll have to cut that off and do a bit of concreting. But we're going to work that out once we get us flags down. So we'll put all flags down first before we do step. Do step last. So this is how far we've got to walk with the barrow. It's quite a long way. Miserable morning, but we've picked up a whacker, so we're going to give it a whack. So that's it, we've got it whacked. So we've just got it whacked in, and it's a bit up and down, but it doesn't really matter with these flags because they're all different thicknesses, so it might work out to his favour if there's a bit of a dip when we've got a thick flag. So yeah, we're going to carry on today. We're going to get a bit wet today, a bit look of it, and we'll lay some flags. But that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. We'll crack on with this flagging. See you later.